Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Drew's Quick Fixes and Hacks. And today I need to mow the lawn. Okay guys, so hey, let's get the lawnmowers started here. Wait a second. Something is missing. Uh-oh, there's no pull string. Can't mow the lawn without a pull string. And here it is. Yep. Apparently I have a mouse in my shed. And it's actually chewed through 3 lawnmowers, guys. 3. So I gotta get a trap or something. I don't know why he's so interested in string, whether he wants revenge, whether my dogs got to his little brothers or cousins and he's mad at me. It's definitely a mouse, but it's chewed off 3 of these strings. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to start the lawnmower without your pull string, and it can help you if you're a little bit older or you don't like constantly pulling on that lawnmower. This is a quick hack to get it done. Okay guys, so here's a couple things you're gonna need here. Let's get our supply list out here. Okay, so for the lawnmower, just for starters, you're gonna need to find out, this isn't the same in all lawnmowers, this is a Troy-Bilt. You need to find out what size wrench you're gonna need to take this top off. Now this is an 8mm for this Troy-Bilt right here. Okay, and you can just size that up right here like that and make sure it fits in there, and that's that. Okay, another thing you're gonna need is a handy, you're gonna need, once you get the top off, you're gonna need a 5/16 impact wrench thing. You can also probably use a regular wrench head, but the impact one I think is better. You cannot use an impact wrench though to start your lawnmower because it vibrates back and forward and it'll actually try to tighten the bolt that I'm going to show you guys instead of loosening it. So okay, so here we go. So anyway, this is a drill bit that fits into the impact wrench right here. Okay, I think it's I think this is a 3/4 one. Anyway, must have one of these, and you're going to use a drill. I'm just using an old Ryobi drill here. Tighten it up, put it on. You're also going to want to increase the ability for it to tighten so it doesn't slip as you're doing this. There it is, because this has some kind of special, well, there it is. Wow, this drill's falling apart. Ryobi. Okay, Ryobi, whatever it's called. So anyway, we got that set up there, okay? Now, we're going to take the top off, and a little quick plug here. I'd like to thank Gear Wrench. I couldn't find the smaller one of these drill bit heads that fits for the wrench. You buy them and they come in a pack of 3, and I couldn't find this thing. So normally you can just take your drill and just drill those off with the right wrench head. So we're going to use a regular wrench, and I'd like to thank Gear Wrench. They sent me a promotional sample kit. Gear Wrench is available at Home Depot, so we're going to use that today. They sent me one of these adjustable wrenches. It's pretty cool. So here I can just spin this around here and take these off, which is awesome, and a little bit less stressful as far as it gives me a little more resistance turning it around here. Let's see. Whoops. Just get it on the right setting here. That's tight. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. You guys know I struggle with partial dyslexia of right and left, obviously. So it's spinning here. There we go. It's coming off. You're gonna want a little tray to take these out too. You do not want to lose these bolts because you can always put your lawnmower back together, guys. Now I don't have a tray, so for now it's going on the chair. Not a good. I'm gonna lose it. I'm sure I'll lose it. Okay, so let's get this other one off here. Just keep spinning it around here. There we go. Okay, so again, if you have a drill bit adapter that I use to start this lawnmower, if you have the like 1/4" drill bit adapter, that'll help you a lot. But thank you again, Gear Wrench. I can never find a wrench when I need one. They sent me so many samples, guys. You know, I'm not a sellout, but man, I asked them for a couple products to do a review on, and they just sent me tons of stuff. I'm gonna give you guys some free samples, or they have keychains. They give me a bunch of wrench keychains that are really cool. So I'm gonna do a giveaway with those. That one slipped out. You do not want to lose these bolts, guys. Don't lose these. Okay, but anyway, this is perfect for what I'm doing right here. See how it's tall? I'm just spinning around. Gear Wrench has the flexible head. So I love Gear Wrench products. I really do. That's why I asked them if I could do a video for them. So I'm giving them a little plug here. Okay, so this top should come right off. Booyah. Now guess what? That's where the string goes in. You can see where it broke off, okay? You have to take all this apart to get this done. And I just don't want to deal with that right now. Right now, I just want to get the lawnmower started. Got your 5/16 drill bit. You're gonna make sure your drill is on the forward setting, and you're gonna want to have some starter fluid handy too. Let's go get some starter fluid. The reason you want starter fluid is because the starter fluid will make it easier to crank a little bit. It's not, you know, so you pop your filter off there, just spray a little in there. Even if your lawnmower starts easily normally, it's gonna make it a lot easier to start through this method. So again, you want to make sure not all the mowers may be created equally. Make sure the 5/16 fits right in here, okay? And you want to use a drill. Like I said, an impact wrench did not seem to work for me, okay? So you're also going to need a piece of copper wire. What's this for, you say? What's a piece of copper wire for? Okay, well, this is your start bar right here. Normally you let this go. Well, if you let this go, you got to grab the drill and start again. So once you get this sucker started, you're going to want it to stay started. So I'm going to wrap this around here just enough to keep that bar going. Now, again, this is going to remove your safety ability. So if the mower tips over or you have a problem, you're stuck. But anyway, so let's show you from scratch here. All you do is make sure the drill is in the forward position here. Put it over the top, and then you go 1, 2, 3. Turn the drill bit. Whoops, actually, okay, so this is one of those drills that has, I need to increase the torque a little bit on here. Well, I have another drill if this doesn't work. Let's put on number 2. There it goes. Okay, and you can lose your hand on this one. This is not a better drill, actually. This one is, I don't even know what these little things do on here, but you will notice on this particular drill, there's just 2 settings. So let's get it. Maybe time for a new drill, guys. Okay, definitely time for a new drill. Okay, so I'm not sure, I'm gonna increase the torque all the way up to 24. Let's go down to 5, see if that works. Let's see if no. Okay guys, so I got my other drill here. Now I will warn you, with this drill head pops off. That's why this drill head's not working great either. I guess Ryobi tools only last so long, but I do like Ryobi tools. Okay, so let's keep our fingers crossed. This one isn't as tough. I do have it on the 24 setting on the drill. So now, and this, like I said, the drill head's gonna come off, so you need to watch out. But that's just because my drill's broken. 1, 2, 3, go. There we go, it started. All right. So, there you can see, it works. Using a drill. We got the mower started. So you want to turn the mower off. Just pull off this bar, and there it goes. And let's do it one more time, just for fun. So you see again, this bit right here. This actually broke a while back somehow. I don't know if I can glue that back on, but I tried torquing a nut or a bolt that I was supposed to be using an impact wrench for, and it broke the thing off. So, okay, here we go, one more time. Let's open it back up. So every time I start it with this drill, it's gonna break. Let's do it one more time. Ready, guys? 1, 2, 3, and go. Oh, gotta pull the bar. Now, if you don't have your bar turned, it's not gonna move. See that? So once the bar's in, it spins off. Make sure. And there you have it, guys. So thanks for watching Drew's Quick Fixes and Hacks, and hopefully if you guys watch this video enough times, it'll give me enough money to get a new drill. Thanks for watching, and if you're not a subscriber yet, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, click on it, and hopefully this video helped you out. Have a great one. Thanks for watching, guys.